Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of the topic chess notations. Here in this video we shall discuss about an issue that happens when two or more pieces can go to a similar square. What kind of notation should we use in that case? Let us look at this board position. Okay, it is white to move and we can see that white is up by 2 rooks and black has 2 knights. It's a completely hypothetical situation, but we will use this situation to understand the problem that happens when two of the pieces can go to a similar square. Now suppose white gives a move like this. Now what should we call this move? Rook to e7? No. Why? Because in this point both the rooks can go to the e7 square. So in that case we have to mention the previous file where the rooks were in. So in this case the move will be denoted by rook g to e7, rg e7. Okay, you have to mention the file. Remember, file will get the preference. They are on different ranks also, but we will not mention the rank in this case because the files are different. In case the files are not different, if the files are same, then only we can use the previous rank the rooks were in. So in this case, this move will be written as rg e7. Rook that was on g5 will go to e7. This kind of problem can also happen with knights, because both the knights, we can see in this example, both the knights are eligible to go to the square b3. So if black plays a move like, say, this, we cannot say this is knight to b3 because both the knights were eligible to go to b3. So in this case we have to say that the move is, the files are different, right? So the move is knight d to b3, nd b3. Now suppose white plays a move like this. This is also not rook e6, because also at this point we can see that both the rooks are eligible to go to the square a6, and also the file is same, they are on a same file. So we have to say that the move is r3 a6. The rook that was on third rank will come to e6. After this point you may ask that whether this can happen with bishops, and apparently you can think that no, this cannot happen with bishops because obviously they are always on different colors and this kind of degeneracy cannot happen with bishops. But if you are smart enough, you can think that yes, this kind of thing can occur in case of a bishop. Where? Let us consider the second example. In this example we can see that black is up by 2 bishops and his pawn is just going to be promoted. Now it is black to move, so obviously black plays a pawn promotion, and the pawn is promoting to a bishop, not a queen, right? Now we can see that at this point the 2 bishops are on the same color, so obviously there is a possibility of degeneracy, right? So suppose after this white plays king to f1 and black plays this move. Okay, so we cannot say that this move is bishop to d3 check. Why? Because at this point both the bishops are eligible to come to the d3 square. They are on different files also, so we have to mention the previous file they were in. So this move will be denoted as bishop f d3. So bishop that was on f file will come to d3. So this is all for this video. I hope you have liked it. If you did, then please give it a like, share it with your friends and relatives. In case you have any question or suggestion, you can write it down on the comment section. I'll be looking forward to it. See you next time.